Hello friends, welcome to eKida, another numerical on calculation of capacitance. So the question is, determine the line to line capacitance. We have to determine the line to line capacitance of a single phase line having the following arrangement conductor. So see figure, one conductor consists of three wires A, B, C of 0.2 centimeter diameter each, and the other circuit two wires A dash and B dash of 0.4 centimeter diameter each, means conductor X having 3 ABC and conductor Y having 2 A dash and B dash. So conductor X means M is equals to 3 and N is equals to 2, and we have to find out the capacitance, line to line capacitance means line X to line Y. So CXY, this is equals to pi epsilon naught upon log D equivalent upon under root ds for X, ds for Y, means self geometrical mean distance for X conductor and self geometrical mean distance for Y conductor, farad per meter. So first we have to find out the D equivalent. D equivalent we know means mutual GMD between X and Y. So for conductor A, B, C and A dash, B dash. So this is equals to, so for distance A to A dash, then A to B dash, then B to A dash and B to B dash. Same C to A dash and C to B dash to the power 1 by mn, means 3 into 2 means 1 by 6. I hope you understand this, that we have to find out the mutual distance. So mutual distance from conductor, this conductor A to A dash, then conductor A to B dash. Similarly for conductor B, this B to A dash and B to B dash. Same for C, C to A dash and C to B dash. If I'm writing this like, and for conductor C, so distance C to A dash and distance C to B dash, and to the power C, conductor X is having 3 conductors, M is equals to 3, and conductor Y is having N means 2 conductors, so N is equals to 2, so 3 into 2, 1 by 6 to the power 1 by 6. Therefore D equivalent is equals to, now D A to A dash, see D A to A dash is 6 into distance from A to B dash, A to B dash, this we need to find out. So A to A dash is 6 and A to B dash is 4, so distance from A to B dash is equals to under root 4 square plus 6 square, so this is equals to, so this is under root 4 square plus 6 square, this is equals to 7.211 meter. So distance from A to B dash is 7.211 meters. 7.211 into B to A dash. This B to A dash, see same 4 square and under root 4 square plus 6 square. So this is also distance from B to A dash. This is also 4 square plus 6 square. So this is 7.211 meter. 7.211 meter into distance B to B dash. B to B dash is equals to 6 only. So into 6 into distance from C to A dash. This distance from C to A dash. So this total distance is 4 plus 4, 8. So distance from C to A dash is equals to under root 8 square plus 6 square. So this is equals to, under root 100 means 10. So distance from C to A dash is 10, and distance from C to B dash, this distance from C to B dash, so this is 6 and this is 4. So this is equals to distance from C to B dash is equals to under root 4 square plus 6 square. So this is equals to 7.211 meter. So distance from C to B dash is 7.211 to the power 1 by 6. So this is equals to 7.162 meter. Now we have to find out the distance dsx and dsy. We know the diameter of conductor Y. See, one circuit consists of 3 wires of 0.2 centimeter diameter each. Means Rx is equals to 0.2 by 2. So this is equals to 0.1 centimeter. So this is equals to 0.001 meter. Similarly, Ry means radius for Y conductor. So 0.4 centimeter diameter. So 0.4 divided by 2, this is equal to 0.2 centimeter. So this is equal to 0.002 meter. Now we have to find out the self GMD for conductor X. So this is equals to for conductor X. So SA into SB into SC to the power 1 by 3. SA into SB into SC to the power 1 by 3. Now DSA is equals to DAA into DAB into DAC to the power 1 by 3. Distance from A to A, distance from A to B and distance from A to C to the power 1 by 3. Now similarly find the distance for SB. This is equals to distance BB into distance B to A into distance B to C to the power 1 by 3. Now for distance C, so this is equals to CC, C to A, C to B to the power 1 by 3. Now put the value of SA, SB and SC in DSX. Self GMD for conductor X, this is equals to, so this is equals to DAA into DAB into DAC, then SB DBB into DBA into DBC into DCC into DCA into DCB to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 means 1 by 9, because total 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and to the whole power 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, I've taken this here. So this 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 9. Now we know that DAA is equals to DBB, this is equals to DCC, this is equals to RX. This we know. So put the value DSX is equals to DAA means Rx into distance from A to B and distance from A to C. Distance from A to B 4 and A to C 8. So 4 and 8. 4 into 8. Now distance B to B means Rx, B to A and B to C. B to A and B to C. Again 4 and 8 into 4 into 8. Now distance C to C Rx into DC to A and DC to B. C to A 8 and C to B 4. Similarly, DSB is equals to DBB into DBA into DBC to the power 1 by 3. Now distance for C, so this is equals to DCC into DCA into distance C to B to the power 1 by 3. Now put the value of DSC, DSB and DSC in DSX means self GMD for conductor X. This is equals to distance for DAA into DAB into DAC to the power 1 by 3 into distance from B to B, distance from B to A, distance from B to C to the power 1 by 3. Now distance from C to C, distance from C to A and distance from C to B to the power 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3. Or we can write this as this 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 means 1 by 9. Now put the value. We know DAA is equals to DBB. This is equals to DCC. This is equals to RX. This we know. Now put the value. So DAA is equals to RX into DAB into DAC. So distance from A to B and A to C means 4 and 8. So into 4 and 8. Into distance from B to B Rx into B to A and B to C. So distance from B to A is 4 and B to C is also 4. So 4 into 4. Now distance C Rx. Now distance from C to A. Distance from C to A, 4 plus 4, 8 and C to B is 4. So 8 into 4 to the power 1 by 9. So this is equals to, we know the value for Rx. Rx is equals to 0.001. So 0.001 cube, because Rx into Rx into Rx into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the power 4 and 8, 1, 2. 8 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 9. So this is equals to 0.294 meter. Similarly, we have to find the self GMD for conductor Y. This is equals to, see, in Y conductor there are only two conductors. So distance from A dash to A dash and distance from A dash to B dash to the power 1 by 2. So this is equals to distance from A to A dash. This is equals to Ry, and Ry is equals to 0.002 meter, because radius is 0.002 meter, means 0.002 into distance from A dash to B dash is 4 to the power 1 by 2. So this is equals to 0.0894 meter. Now put the value of dsx, dxy and d equivalent for capacitance calculation of conductor X and Y. So this is equals to pi epsilon naught upon log D equivalent upon under root dsx into dsy farad per meter. Now we know that epsilon naught is equals to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 upon log D equivalent. We got D equivalent is equals to this 7.162. 7.162 upon under root dx is equals to 0.0294. 0.0294 into dxy is equals to 0.0894. 0.0894 farad per meter. Therefore, capacitance of conductor X and Y is equals to 0.00734 microfarad per kilometer. So we got the capacitance, line to line capacitance, line for line X and line Y. We know the formula for capacitance, line to line capacitance for line X and Y. So Cxy is equals to pi epsilon naught upon log D equivalent upon under root dsx into dxy farad per meter. For this we need to find out D equivalent and dsx and dsy. So D equivalent we know, D equivalent means the mutual distance between conductor X and conductor Y. So mutual distance, so ABC and A dash B dash. So for this we need to find out the distances, all the distances. So D equivalent is equals to dA dash into dAB dash into dBA dash into dBB dash into dCA dash into CB dash. to the power 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? Because conductor X has 3 conductors and conductor Y has n conductors. So 1 upon m into n means 1 upon 3 into 2 means 1 by 6. So on calculating all the distances, we got D equivalent is equal to 7.162 meter. Now we know the diameter for conductor X, that is 0.2 centimeter. So Rx is equal to 0.2 divided by 2, and we know the diameter for conductor Y, that is 0.4 centimeter, means 0.4 divided by 2. So Ry is equals to 0.002 meter. Same we find the self distance for conductor X and conductor Y. So for conductor X is equals to DSA into DSB into DSC, because there are 3 conductors. And similarly for Y we have only 2 conductors. So we got DSX is equals to 0.0294 and DSY is equals to 0.0894. So on putting all the values in this equation, Cxy is equals to pi epsilon naught upon log D equivalent upon under root DSX into DXY farad per meter. We got the capacitance, line to line capacitance for XY. This is 0.00734 microfarad per kilometer. Thank you.